Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is one of the most beautiful area, Buner. This area possesses many numbers of waterfalls, which is mostly very beautiful in the summer season. Particularly, the flora of this area is very rich and diverse. This area belongs to district Buner. This is Kalail and Gokand area, a beautiful area. Now I will talk about some beautiful plants of this area. So let's see what kind of plants, what kind of flora exist in this beautiful area of Gokand Buner. Mashallah, this is a beautiful plant. They are mostly side by side on the banks of waters, streams. They exist mostly on high altitude. This beautiful plant is called impatiens bicolor. As the name indicates, bicolor, mostly the lips yellow below and upper lip is pink purple. So why they are called impatiens? Impatient means when the fruits of these plants mature on an air current or by touching the fruits of these plants bursting and disperse seeds very far away. So that's why this plant is called impatient. And the family which belong is family Balsaminaceae, one of the dicotyledonous family, locally called Atrangae. This is another beautiful plant of this area, which are usually present on the slopes of water, of hills, and this is called Teres critica, and this is more beautiful plant. This is another plant which is called Sarcococca selegna. It is an evergreen plant, very beautiful. The vines which are looking above is called jungly angur and usually called Vitis jacquemintii. This is very spreading plant in this area. The vines which are very far away, not so much far away but present on this slope, and these are the much common trees of this beautiful area, Pinus rexburgii. These are bryophytes, and they are usually present on the moist rocks and moist trunks and on water sides, banks. So Markensia is commonly present in such type of habitat. Yes, this is a Adiantum species. They are belongs to Pteridophytes. Yes, this undershrub, or we can see the shrub or tree-like plants, which is usually called ijlai in our local language. The fruit of this plant is edible and the local used to eat it. This plant is called Virginia ciliata, and this is mostly common in this particular area, and this plant is highly medicinal plant, and the local use the rhizome of this plant as a medicine. This is another plant which is called Saromatum venosum, and the local says this plant is much poisonous, so avoid these plants. And many other species are also present. Erythema jacquemintii is also common in this area. Yes, lichens are also very common in this area, and we know that lichen play a very important role in the formation of climax community. So they are considered as the pioneer of climax community. Yes, this is Debrigesia sicifolia. I already discussed about this plant. The fruit of this plant is edible. Yes, Dugesnia indica. So the fruit is red in color and very much edible and present in this area. So this is the fruit. Yes, this is very common in the bank of water, and this plant is called Mentha longifolia, locally called Venale, and this plant is used to treat digestive disorders. This plant is Barbarous Lycium, and this is most common in this area, and the bark of this plant is used to treat many diseases, while the fruit of this plant is edible as well by the locals. Mashallah, very beautiful area. I hope you will enjoy this video. I hope you will visit this area, inshallah. Thank you so much for giving me your precious time. Thank you so much.